Boya production.
So, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you this beautiful little thing called copper grease. Right? So, if your wheels, see these little knocking nuts here, if they're seized, it's because they need some lubricant on them, okay? Now, when I was doing the brake disc spray paint, when I was taking them off, they were seized. So it was like, I'll try and show you now. What it'll pretty much mean is, when I'll show you, right? Grab one, then, see that click? Shouldn't be clicking, right? That means it's fucking seized in there, little shit houses. Now, if you haven't taken your wheels off in a very long time, then it'll be very hard and it should send up. Oh, see, that one's alright. That one's alright. You little bastard. See, it sends a vibration straight up here and it kills you. Fucking nuts. Right. So, how to prevent this? Oh, fucking hell, 3 bolts and fucked. Fucking hell. Oh, fuck me. The vibrations, man. Right, that's loose. That's loose. Where's the lucky nut? Yeah, that's alright. So once you want to loosen everything, so it's off, and this is 17. So loosen it, but tighten it just a bit back up. Loosen it up, tighten it a bit back up. Tighten it a bit back up. Because you don't want to just take off your fucking bolts here, your fucking wheel will come off. Tighten it back up. And locking nut, it doesn't really matter, to be honest, right? So now, get your jack and pop this. Bloody hell, this fucking wheel come off. Pass it. Fucking wheel get you, fat fuck. Right, if you don't know where to put the jack, then oh wait, let me jack it up. It'll be easy to see because it's a very low car, you see. Very low, yes, very low. Slammed. Nah, not slammed. Not slammed yet. See, I don't even need to look. I just know where it is. That's how many times I've taken this up. Look at that, beautiful. Right, I'll jack this up and then I'll show you where you need to put your little axle stand. Always use the axle stand. So, underneath the car, see how it's got a double plate over there? So that is where you want to jack it up. Not somewhere like this. Like this was like last time I did it. So if you jack it up, it's going to bend it. Right, so that thing, it runs all along there. All along, and it's just that the bit where it's fatter and it's got 2 plates, that's where you put it. But this bit you can just put the jack stand in here, it's alright, but when you want to actually jack the car up, don't do it from the thin plate, otherwise it's just going to bend like that. Okay, so where it's fatter, that's where you jack it up from. Okay, so once everything's in, look, show them the jack stand. Jack stands in, that's in, then you're going to get this. If you have one of these anyway. If not, then do it with this, but it'll take ages. Take it all out. Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful. Right, so once they're all loose, there you go. Now, does your wheel come off? Does it, Sony? Don't think so. See how it's seized? see how it was seized then, mate? We don't want that, do we, fella? Now that is because, one sec, because you've got all the rust here, you see, all this shit here, and it seizes it up. So that's where the copper grease comes in, you see. Now what you want to do, just a little bit, just in there, just like that, beautiful, in there, just a bit, all around, and that'll be okay, yeah? Once that's done, then, alright there, fucking hell, crusty that. Right, so once that's done, what you want to do is get your, see how these bolts are looking. That's why it was clicking, because it's all rusty. Now if you use WD-40, it's not going to work, because it'll just dry out and it'll be crusty again. That's why you have to use copper grease, because it stays on there. Okay, so what you want to do, because it'll be hard putting the normal one back in, so you want to get your locking nut, put your locking nut back on. Oh, what's going on? That's crusty, that, isn't it? Fucking hell. I think that'll do, okay? Then, get some of that and just put it on the bolt. This will prevent it from making that clicking noise and seizing up, okay? Get that out of the way, get that out of the way. Oh, actually, thumbnail. We'll be right back. That was a beautiful thumbnail, fucking open. Yeah, where you going? Right. And then get that line out. There's it going. Oosh. Get that in there. Pop that in. See, this is why you have to use your locking nut, because it won't work. You won't be able to do it. That's why locking nut. Once that's secure, look at that, easily going in, easy. Fuck me, can't. Alright then, just on the rest. Slap some of that on there. Thing. Beautiful. That, line that one there. Beautiful, he's caught it. He's caught it. Same with the other. So, I will be putting down, I always mess this up, putting this in the link description below. There we go, right? And this is how it comes. There's a lot of it in there, right? And you don't even need the lid, to be honest, you just leave that just like that, because it doesn't actually evaporate or thingy, it just fucking stays there. Cause look how easy it's going back in. Right, this is gonna prevent it from seizing up. So whenever you are taking your wheel off, it'll be 10 times easier. And the wheel won't clog up. Oh, also next video, I'm getting some of them. Getting some of them bad boys. Some of them fuckers. Some of them cunts. Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful. Because look how easy it just rotates in. No pressure. See, look at the condition of it. Rusty, forked. And now I've taken these wheels off before when I was spray painting that, you see. But if you haven't taken your wheels off in quite some time, yeah, they'll be fucked. And your wheel will be seized on there. A bit more. Bit more on this one. Give the last one a special treatment. Give him a good old yeet. In there, shit's ass. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Easy, easy. Tighten that up. Tighten that up. Also, you don't want to tighten them up just yet because the car's off the ground, so tighten them all. Hand tight. Yeah, that's what it is. Hand tight. There we go. Beautiful. That's that. That's that. Right, now we'll bring the car down and we shall, yeah, get back to you. Get the fuck off that. Oh, when he's out. Yeah. Right. That's down now. What we're gonna do is tighten these a bit more. Right. Hand tight, and then I'm going to drive the car a bit forward, because right now the suspension is fucked because I've lifted it up, I'll put it back down, and it won't be 100% straight. So what I'm going to do is just drive it a bit more forward. Oh, actually just roll it actually. Yeah, roll it. Right. Did you hear that then? So now it's totally flat. Okay, now we can. Go on, so you take your seat, you little fat fuck. So now it is totally flat. See, and now we can fully tighten it with this. You see? You see? Fucking where are you, cunt? Because if you tighten it, once you've brought it down, it won't be 100% tight, because it'll be a bit adjusted. So that's why you just move it a bit, tight. Beautiful. Now with the locking nut, you don't need to tighten that. Just like literally that. I'll be alright for that. Fuck it off. With the rest of it. See how there's no more clicks? See that? No more fucking clicks, cunt! Fucking hell. Fucked. Not made for this. Beautiful. Fucking hell. Fucked. Right, now come to this side for me. I don't know if it'll work, to be honest. Wait. Let's try and tighten one of these. So, yeah, right, it's tight. Fucking bastard! Ah! See what I mean? Well, and the seized does that now. I was trying to tighten it, not loosen it. But it just like clicks back. But once you add copper grease to it, it's like 10 times better. Healthier, it's better. Rust don't go on it. So I think we'll end it here, because I say I'll do the rest, but I can't fucking, I'm fucked. One wheel. I'll do it another day. So I'll put that down in the link description below, and see you in the next one where I'm putting badges on. Whoa, what's this? The fuck are you doing here, pal? You alright there, fella? Not bad. See you in the next one.